My name is William Scott. I participated in the National Church Residency Right Track program. I grew up with my grandmother. She raised me and my 9 sisters and brothers after my mother had passed away. She was a strong person. She kind of tried to guide us in the right direction. But she had some difficulties as well. There's a little bit of abuse there. She later passed away. That's when I got in trouble, a little after that. I came home from prison after 15 years. And me and my sisters and brothers, we really wasn't close. So I had no support when I was out there. It was hard trying to find a job. Being an ex-convict, nobody wanted to hire you. When I come here, I thought that I could actually just find an apartment and be able to move in and get a job. It didn't happen like that. I ended up going to the shelter, and I transferred to the National Church Residency apartment complex, Commons at 3rd. That's how I became familiar with the Right Track program. Once I got into the Right Track program, they taught us skills for going out, looking for jobs, and how to communicate with people. 15 years I only dealt with the guys that I was in prison with. And coming back to the streets, it was a big difference. A lot of things have changed. It was online applications and stuff like that. So if it hadn't been for the Right Track program, I don't believe I would have been able to secure this job or any job. But working here at the Y, I love it. I love the job. I love the people I work with. Got a great supervisor. My grandmother taught me how to clean. We used to go along with her when she was cleaning houses back in the 70s. She was housekeeping for lawyers, doctors, different things like that. And she would take us along with her, teach us how to clean just to help her because she was raising all of us. She'd be proud of me if she was here.